Here we are. It's Wednesday the... not sure what day it is actually. Should look at my phone. 7th or 8th. Anyway, just after Easter. It's about 12:30, 1 o'clock. Here I am at the should say April, 6th or 7th or 8th of April, National Motorcycle Museum. Somewhere I've always wanted to come, in Birmingham at the NEC. And it is dead. Dead as a doornail. Beautiful machines. Must be worth millions. Anyway, I get to walk round them, basically on my own, I think. Wouldn't fancy riding these, I must admit.